So the very first process in loading in the new file is we want to build out all the different vendors that we reconcile. So if they don't already exist here, you can just simply press build from previous month and then do a browser refresh. And what it's going to do is it's going to fetch all the different vendors that were reconciled the prior month and build out the shell. So because we're doing web root here, easiest way to download the template is directly from within here. So I can just click on this now and it's going to start downloading the last month's data set, which is here. And we'll just go across to paste all vendor data. So first thing you want to do is just clear all of that. And then here's the new data set that we want to paste in. So web root data, just want to copy that and paste it into cell 1A. Simple as that. Now we do recommend just taking a second and reviewing that the layout here looks okay, because this is how it's going to be imported into CloudOlive here in a sec. So worthwhile just taking 2 seconds and making sure that that looks okay for you. At this point now, we're going to ask for these 2 bits of information to be inside of CloudOlive and actually keyed in as a checkpoint to make sure the data comes across. So as we now save this, we may just save it from 06 to 07, and it's all in our downloads here. And I typically copy this because it's a larger number. If there was no cost in the file, that could well be 0 and totally reasonable, happens all the time. Now we can come back into CloudOlive itself. And then the number here was 12 that we're going to be importing. So a few things. This indicates the number of lines that were there last month. So if the number is wildly different, it may be worthwhile just pausing for a sec, unless there's a known reason why it may have changed massively up or down. And if for whatever reason the unit strategy, which is quite important, as well as the billing frequency, if they are different from one month to the next, you'll see a little icon there. And it's worthwhile just double checking by going back to last month. So now all we want to do is either choose the file, or you can just drag it in from here, in that case there, and then submit and upload will appear, and we can just do that there. And then you can just come through here and see all the information already loaded in.